Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start a new tournament in the league of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can create your tournament in your own league. I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. And previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Let's get started by tapping the leagues. And this is the My League page. So there are some features here that you can try. For example, that I want to show you is this tournament. Tap the tournament. So you have to you can make a tournament here like this. Tap the find opponent and start tournament, and the minimum tournament member is 4, 6, 8 and so on. But if you have no member, it will error, you will get error message like this. So you can make your own tournament in your league. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. As well, click the button below. Enjoy the game.